day of school, where every time I had to say bro moment, I just said Burger Mormon. It was like a progression. Like it became like bro moment, and then it was like what was the next one? Bro something, and then it was like burger something, and then Burger Mormon. I don't know where that even came from. Oh, we're filming now.
Hi, we're gonna make Travis Scott burgers. This is my friend Connor.
I was trying to watch the bacon, but you kind of blocked my path.
Oh, sorry. This is my friend Connor. He has a channel called Emperor Seymour you can check out. He has some videos, I think.
Yeah. They're not good, but like they are videos.
They are. So this is the bacon. This is a terrible video. This is the bacon.
Here's the bacon.
This is the bacon.
I already made the bacon.
What? So do you need these?
You let me know when you want to start.
Where is the one that makes ravioli?
No, I mean, what's the chef word?
Yeah, it was a compliment.
What?
Are you chef boy? You're the Italian one.
Wow.
Way to go.
What is he?
This chef already, right?
Yeah. What? He makes the ravioli.
And the SpaghettiOs, I think.
What?
I think same company.
Dude, you're gonna.
He got away.
My life is a lie, right?
Stop! No!
Here you go.
You're full.
You threw them.
There it is.
I feel offended because I know how to grill only because I have a dad.
Man, I wish that were me. Damn.
Who sent you?
400. He's gone again.
I'm gonna jump into that.
He does
Okay.
that.
Not
What's the other that is there?
the yellow.
Off to the old whorehouse. So, have you switched to Verizon yet? Alright, this is your stop. I committed tax evasion.
Together we can show the world what we can do.
All right, gentlemen.
He's recording.
He's recording.
Yeah.
I guess I am.
I'll take it.
So my question is, do you want these?
We didn't ask you.
You want these to be like Travis Scott burgers, not like the good burgers I make. So you don't want
Yeah.
seasoning on them.
Don't, yeah, like don't make them actually good.
This is my video.
Well, maybe she should.
It's my video now. Slap, but I can't because of COVID.
The ritual's complete.
Meshuggah.
Want to repeat that one for me real quick?
This is the death metal.
Norwegian burger and not us.
Is that? Hey, don't die before you put on the Travis Scott burger.
I've already had it. I can die happy.
What?
All right, who's cooking?
The man, the one, just
Yeah.
put the fat one on.
Okay.
Okay. Cloggers.
Doing that Pokemon thing.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got him.
So now, you and I need to wash our hands.
Yes.
So,
There's water in there.
Like me, I am propane. I am a masochist. Yeah. This is gonna go real bad.
Shit.
This is
What the
physics.
hell? What did you do to
So
her?
with physics, I'm on a pendulum right now, and my weight is moving this around. I don't actually know that.
be watching the burgers?
Oh, right.
Oh shit. Shit.
What do we do?
Okay.
My dad's gonna tell us probably.
Why do we do that again?
So I would think every McDonald's, when they use their natural beef rather than the whatever kangaroo stuff they use, it's high in sodium. So I would think you want to put some salt on these burgers if you want them to taste like Travis Scott burgers.
Okay.
So here you go. Okay, that's
Jesus
whoa,
Christ.
whoa, buddy, whoa, buddy. So this is how you salt, like pop, 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 pop. Okay, okay. A little more. Okay. Did you want salt, Connor?
No. And then he came over. He's like, are you watching the burgers?
So the burger will be fine for like 5 minutes anyway.
Oh, okay.
Connor.
He's gonna get lost. You gotta follow him. It's like a 6-year-old in the supermarket. You can't take your eye off him for 1 second.
Ow.
You're cheating.
Right on cue.
It's a Travis Scott burger.
I'll move this guy back here. All right. That base called the Archangel.
I meant to cookie lately, but I forgot I had shoes on.
How do you forget you have shoes on?
I don't know. I don't wear shoes outside very often. Oh, woodland. Woodlands.
How does one forget they have shoes on?
I'm a woodland child. I don't usually wear them.
Alright, listen.
Where did my dad go? That happy boy.
And he's gone. Let's leave. Let's get out of here. Let's abandon our child. That's just generally rude.
I'm a little busy,
This can get tighter.
What?
I'm trying to tighten it.
Do you need help?
That's probably better.
I'm going to be monkey.
On top of vines. I swing vine to vine like monkey. Ooh, where banana?
I think my dad is calling.
Blood.
I taught you.
Travis Scott dying again.
Yo.
It's kind of coming through, I think.
See that?
Give it another minute. Then we'll flip it.
1, 2, 3,
Don't.
4,
Don't do this.
5,
Don't.
6,
Please.
7, 8, 9.
Get Captain.
I wasn't watching you.
Flip it. Now you flip that one.
You handed me the camera.
Yeah.
All right.
You didn't. You said just follow me.
See the blood come through there. Move these over here a little bit. See, there's not as much fire on this end of the grill out front. So now you salt them again.
Did you do the honors?
Just, I'll come in a second. Look at them. And when you get done salting, we'll just close the grill, okay?
Make the funniest salting joke.
He's gonna get assaulted.
That's a lot of salt. Holy Moses.
buddy,
Okay.
Okay, calm down.
You flipped the bird. Connor got half of the footage.
Shut up.
Yeah, this is not as good as I thought it was. Oh my god.
Bless you. COVID. Well, now you're making me depressed. So I'm gonna sit down. Huh?
All right. I know. You're sitting down.
I'm gonna stay sitting.
So squeeze them out one more time. Press them down. A little bit more force on the center. Break them. Don't forget that guy. Okay. Don't be afraid of the fire. It'll only hurt for a while. So you got cheese there. So start from the back. Lay it on it. Start in the back of the fire. Flare up. And hit front. So awesome. Lid down. There you go. Blue destroyed.
Oh boy. Okay.
Here, I'll get up.
Oh no.
Two boys in a wheelbarrow.
This is gonna go horribly.
How you doing?
Don't make eye contact with me while we're doing it. That's so much harder to go uphill. Let me do it.
You want me to get out?
No!
You want me to get out?
No! I can do it. Don't look at my asshole, man. Okay.
No! No!
Long live the king. You got
Thank you. Nice.
on guard. Put your toothbrush down. Fucking otaku.
Remove your mask.
Oh, and now I'm gonna wash my hands with all good chefs. Good.
That's fair, actually. Yeah. It's time.
It is time for the burger.
Strokes. I hate the strokes.
No, it's not.
I hate the strokes.
You're gonna use your fingers with the fries, but eat fries with your fingers and ketchup, just like you would at McDonald's. So you want forks.
Yeah.
That's for that's for the pickles. You guys suck.
You have like no social ability.
No, none of us do.
I've been in quarantine. I lost
We
all
all
social-
have.
Would you like to take the bun?
Do you have a plate? Oh yeah.
Sorry, Williams.
Mind your way.
No, I was going to something down because I don't know.
That's what you get for stepping out of line.
You guys want water?
I'll take some fries.
God.
Buddy? Some fries? How
That's
about?
good. That's
Oh,
good.
right.
That's fine. All right.
Are you good?
We went to, my mom picked up Five Guys. The guys at the counter were like, yeah.
Do we have
They
salt?
were a little too
Where's the
soft.
salt out there? The salt.
Why
I
do
want
I-
to go get the salt.
I have a fork.
I saw this the other day when they did that.
Okay, I don't know how to construct Travis Scott burgers, so you're gonna be guiding me through this.
Okay, because I've eaten one.
You have clearly memorized it from that one. From the.
I have a picture that I look at every day.
So why?
Every day.
So why?
It's in my,
I mean, it is a McDonald's burger. We have to like beat it up to like punch it down,
Sit on it.
so it does not break out of line. Must it make
Sit
me
on it.
sample the
Sit on
McDonald's
it to
burger?
infuse the Travis Scott into it.
Wait a second. Hang on a second.
It's gonna be sloppy. There's no way around it.
Yeah,
Hey man, Travis Scott
he's pretty sloppy.
is Rick.
I don't know what's. I'm just gonna play Psycho Mode. Repeat. I don't know what's up there.
So are you playing Travis Scott music? Is that what you're doing?
I was going to, but then we didn't. I guess we're not.
I just like, this at the beginning is the meme. Cool.
Aiden's not eating one.
No,
For some
I ate
reason.
breakfast like
We worked so
10
hard
minutes
to make
right
these
now.
burgers for you.
We,
I'll eat his, I guess.
That-
Joe, you want a burger?
I say we as if it
Can we
wasn't
just
like.
point out how the fry bowl is blocking the activity from the camera?
Want a burger?
Move the fry bowl.
I don't
So we
like
can
when
get
you're waking up and going right to.
Here, Joe.
We're gonna have to throw the
I feel
camera.
like it's Thanksgiving.
You want to? Do you want?
Thanksgiving with Travis Scott.
Oh yeah.
You sit over there.
Oh yeah. That should be like a special on MTV.
The bench is
Hey,
right
would be
there.
the
Here,
kind
I'll
of guy to bring McDonald's.
No,
to.
no.
So your burger's
My
right
Travis
there.
Scott burger. No.
You're
No.
not. You're not eating it.
Try to get a close
Get,
up.
get out of
Let's
this.
try to get a close up. Nerd. Close up.
Oh yeah.
I'm bird.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How is it?
Travis Scott.
How are the fries?
This is just a lot of mustard because I screwed up on the mustard so bad. I have a really good burger right here. Just like this genuinely
He's on
looks
the
good.
floor,
And
he's
now,
Oh my god.
You're Travis Scott. Wait.
and now
I
it
just
is
said they were on the
McDonald's
floor.
burger.
Where?
What?
I just said they were on the floor.
Yeah.
And now it is McDonald's burger. It is time for Travis Scott burger.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay. Everyone, we need silence.
Allie, stop the water.
We
10,
need silence.
10, 9, 3, 2, 1. That was funny.
Mm.
It's just a regular burger.
Yeah.
Like, I don't taste
No,
Travis.
it's not. You're going.
I don't
off,
taste
you're
Travis
going
Scott.
You're going off brand.
When you chew, can you hear his music?
Yeah.
Jack took a bite and I heard wham.
Hang on a second. Hold up.
I didn't know it was not out.
I'm not a fan of mustard, to be honest. What?
He's like, hold on. He's been doing what?
This isn't as good as the McDonald's one. No, you can't sit here.
I'm getting fried.
You can't sit here.
Wow.
You're not cool.
Is this
You're not like
is-
Travis Scott.
Is this an ageist thing or is it a
You're
sexist
not
thing?
cool like Travis
It's an us
Scott.
thing.
Well,
It's a Reddit thing.
Reddit thing.
Moving not funny.
So do you, any of you guys play sports at all?
Do you do softball?
Oh.
Tennis. Cool.
I don't know what you're saying.
Repeat
Put
that?
Travis Scott in your mouth. Anthrax, isn't that thing that speaks for the trees?
I thought it was like a you know like how there's like the ant
That's smallpox.
and there's like the 3 parts of its body.
what is going on? There might be a little.
Hey Siri. What's that thing on an ant that's like? What did she hear?
Something went wrong.
Damn right.
Travis
it did.
Scott's
Accurate.
dead.
Yeah.
But I don't think we'll ever meet.
What was that? My guy, what?
I don't like mustard.
Did you taste the Drake?
I know.
Travis Scott. Burger. Tuesday Slide.
No.
Drake. The Scotts.
No, alright.
Kim Kardashian. Kendall Jenner.
The Chuck's is pretty good.
I didn't get that.
You wouldn't, would you?
So, no burger, but fries. But there are millions of Americans that haven't eaten that burger.
We're America.
Millions of Americans to have.
You'd make a terrible ventriloquist.
No?
No.
I'm wearing sweatpants. You're like Pokemon tier 3
Bro.
subs. She can't even wear shorts anymore.
Did you just say that Pokemon is the top female streamer? You're really gonna be out here ignoring Alinity?
Yes.
This is no longer about Travis Scott.
No, it's not.
We're
We
going
outro?
on for 23 minutes.
This is even like how they're set up in Super Mega.
Should we outro?
You want to do the honors?